Today we're going to do another episode of IMIGANI Kinyarwanda, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super excited. Big shout out to Dave Kwizera, who actually mentioned that he's been waiting 2 years for the next episode. So don't worry, I got you, bro. I got you covered. So this is gonna be another episode in which I describe or read out the IMIGANI Kinyarwanda from the book. Like the book is somewhere, I might link it, or and interpret it how I think, or what I think the proverb means. And then obviously we have the English translations as always, and the English subtitles as always at the bottom for everyone to follow. But before we begin, let's set the mood, let's set the tone, let's sip on some nice tea. You know what I mean? I know it's hot outside, the weather's hot, and I'm sipping tea. I know, right? But it's good for you. It's very good for you. Oh my days. It's amazing. I swear guys, this tea is the bomb.com. Green tea with coconut. Like literally you can get this in Holland and Barrett. Oh, I live this tea. This tea. It's like heaven in a cup. Literally. What else could you want? What else could you ask for? Anyway, let's get into it. IMIGANI Kinyarwanda. Turi kwi episode ya rimwe kabiri gatatu kane gatanu gatandatu karindwi. Turi kwi episode karindwi. Ooh, it's been a while. Okay, we must see abantu tumeze gutekereza mumeze neza kubera ko nzi hari korokoro iri corona iri hano hanze, ariko nge nizeye ke mumeze neza. Yego mumeze neza, bufite imbaraga, none se ulala. We're already mixing languages. Can you hear it? IMIGANI Kinyarwanda. IMIGANI ya mbere. Ingoma irahaka ntihora. Ingoma irahaka ntihora. Hano bishobora kutubwira ko hari igihe ishobora kuba hari indi gihe zaza kuyisimbura. Nibyo bishaka kuvuga. So winter and summer basically. Day and night. Hot and cold. Yego. Nibyo nshatse kuvuga. Yeah. Nibyo. Uyu munsi hano turi muri corona. Hari corona hariya hano. Ariko hejo hazaza corona izamara, izashira. Izaza igihe twishime. Hazaza igihe tuzakomeza kudunda muziki, tubyine, tucheze, tunywe, turye, tutembere, tusuze abantu, and all the lovely stuff. So in English, sorry. Baratubwira ko to err is human, to forgive is divine. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Iyo phrase na kijendo hari ibige birasimbura indi. Mu Cyongereza hano bari kutubwira kuba umuntu ashobora gukora ikosa, ariko kuba imbabazi ni ikintu cyiza. Nabwo bigendana n'imigani y'Ikinyarwanda. So here is X in the base. It's not the same thing. Icibwaho. Mama. Okay, tutangiye. Insina gufi niyo icibwaho urukoma. Insina gufi niyo icibwaho urukoma. Umukene niwe bakoresha icyo bashaka. Kwera ari mu rwego ro hasi. ntabwo bamuhaka gukora amabeseri. Ariko ni gute bavuga gukora amabeseri mu Kinyarwanda? Gukora urusuku, kumesa imyenda. How do you say wash the dishes in Kinyarwanda? Wow, I'm sure I grew up hearing that part. Guys, write it below. How do you say wash the dishes in Kinyarwanda? Shh, it's just gone. Kora. Yeah, gendoza masahani. Gendoza masahani. Waroza masahani. Yes, there you go. I knew it. I knew that I knew it. How can you grow up? You could not grow up in a Rwandan household and not hear gendoza masahani. Like, so, yeah, gendoza masahani. So, bamukoresha kuwa shaka. Kera ko ari murego ya hasi. So, mu Cyongereza baratubwira ko the stronger always conquer the weaker. The stronger always conquer. I feel like I'm a bit too playful right now. Okay. Yego. Yeah. Iyo umuntu ufite imbaraga araruta umuntu ntabwo afite imbaraga. That's it. End of story. Point. Umugani ya gatatu. Iteme, umugabo azambuka, aritinda, agitunze. Iteme, umugabo azambuka, aritinda, agitunze. Imishinga ufite w'ejo hazaza uratangira uyu munsi kuyitegura. Kubera ko ni byiza ko witegura hari cyane ufite ubushobozi uri kwinjiza amafaranga. Bishobora kuba ko ejo hazaza urashaje na mafaranga iri kwinjiza, ibintu nabwo biri kwideplasa, ibintu nabwo biri kujigajiga, ibintu nabwo biri kugenda, ibintu biri wapi. So best to do it now, guys. Best to do it now. Mu Kinyarwanda watubwiye ko a pound saved and spent wisely leads to prosperity. Bivuga ko amafaranga wabitse, amafaranga wasohotse n'umubwenge biratanga prosperity, biratanga umushimo, umunezero. Padisons nakigenda yo turazi nakigenda. Oya dushobora kwikira muri bibere ku mugani ya kane. Okay, turi mu ku mugani ya kane. Kuyavuga siko kuyamara. Kuyavuga siko kuyamara. Kuyavuga siko kuyamara. Ugomba kuvuga ibigenzi kubera ko nabwo ushobora kuvuga ibintu ko muri radio. Radio ivuga itangira mu gitondo irangiza mu manywa. Ariko nubu uvuga ibigenzi, abantu baribuka ibintu washaka kuvuga, ibintu ushaka kubabwira, baribuka ibigenzi. Kavuga dukeya cyane ibyo ushaka kuvuga, abantu baribuka nibyo barafata. Ati yavuze no nibyo bafasha. Ariko kautangira namugango bla 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 eze inkweto ishuri amazu imodoka uzafata iki? Uzafata iki? Naki urubata pe nibyo wapi everything wapi. Anyway, mu Cyongereza baratubwira ko long on words, short on time. Amagambo amagambo biri kure ariko igihe ni ngufi. Nta kigenda, iyi tradition nta kigenda. Imigani nta kigenda. Ntabwo biri bimwe. Long on words, short on time. That doesn't make sense. Long on words, short on time. Kubera ko tekereza imigani mu cyongereza ushobora kuvuga hari umuntu uvuga me ntabwo akora ibintu bavuga. Uzi icyo nshaka kubabwira? So abantu bavuga me ntabwo bakora ibintu bavuga. Bazi kuvuga bazi kuvuga neza me ntabwo barikora ibintu bavuga. Niza bla 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 gusa. Ni abantu nabo bafite amagambo gusa me ntabwo bakoresha amagambo. So no action. Umugani ya gatanu. Nyirubwenge aruta nirubyo. No, nyirubwenge aruta niburyo. Bishobora kuvuga ubugenge aruta gutunga. Entrepreneur azi gushaka amafaranga ni advantage kubera ko azi kuyashaka kandi amafaranga azi gute kuyagenza neza. Umuntu warazwe yego afite amafaranga ariko ntabwo ari bishobora kuba ntabwo azi gute kubigenza neza. Mu cyongereza havuze knowledge is better than wealth. Super. Imigani bigenda neza n'indi. Super. Murakoze cyane ufata iyo gihe muzi munsi za korokoro kureba akavideo cyanjye. Iyi episode tugiye kuyirangira irarangiye. Tuzakora indi episode. Dufite episode ye kubara ama episode tusigaye. Kubara mu Gifaransa kuma kubara mu Kinyarwanda. Episode 2 tugomba gusohoka gute tuzarangira na iyi gitabo. Yewe ndi kwitegura ku kantu. I'm preparing a little something for you guys so that we can continue to do this imigani Kinyarwanda. Have a look out in the near future on my Instagram page and YouTube. It's in the making for you. Thank you so much guys for spending this time with us. I know it is a bit of a different time and I know we haven't seen this coming, especially with the whole koro koro. I know we make a lot of jokes about it and I just feel like it's a nice time to come closer together. And even though yes we are practicing social distancing and yes we are in our house and everything, but it's a wonderful time and an opportunity, and I've seen it as well that online people are coming closer together and it's a different kind of energy that I'm seeing, and it's very, very beautiful and very, very, very magnificent. And just you continue being great, looking after yourself, being healthy, thinking positive, relaxing, eating well, and you know, let your light shine through. And like I said, I am working on a little project that we can carry on in Imigani Kinyarwanda after this book is done, because obviously we have only 2 episodes left. Thank you so much for those that have been patient. Thank you so much for the messages and the support. And please, please, please don't stop correcting me because I need help. I know we're learning. We're always learning. So please correct. Comments, drop. This is very, very, very useful. And feedback is also useful. What kind of videos would you like to see? Would you like to carry on seeing Rwandan videos translated with subtitles? Would you like Would you like carry on to see even English, or it's hard? So which kind of videos would you like to see? Have a look out on my Instagram page as well. I'm going to be doing lives on which you can throw out topics. We have certain topics that are coming up already, and then also just have a look and see. Thank you so much for your support. Have a lovely, lovely day, guys. Stay safe, stay happy, and as always, happy days. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. I've got a second channel which I will link somewhere here below. Second channel. Subscribe, and like and share with your friends.